Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to create this look. If you're interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So this is it guys. Ito na siya. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it and I hope you do, and please give me a like, share, and subscribe, and please comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo pang makita dito sa aking channel. Okay. So alright. So this is the look. I hope you like it and see you soon in the next video. Sarang